When it comes to enhancing the comfort, value, and efficiency of your home, upgrading your doors might not always be the first thing on your mind. However, energy-efficient doors are one of the most impactful investments you can make. For homeowners in Sanford, where the climate can vary, choosing energy-efficient doors can offer a range of benefits from cost savings to environmental impact. Here's a closer look at why energy-efficient doors are a smart choice for your home. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant advantages of installing energy-efficient doors is the reduction in energy consumption. Traditional doors, especially older models, can allow drafts and leaks, letting conditioned air escape and allowing the outside air to seep in. This makes your HVAC system work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to higher energy bills. Energy-efficient doors are specifically designed to prevent air leakage, keeping the cool air inside during the summer and the warmth inside during the winter. With better insulation and more secure seals, these doors maintain your home's internal climate, reducing the load on your heating and cooling systems. In turn, you'll notice lower monthly energy costs, making your home more economical to live in year-round. Increased comfort. No one likes a drafty home. Air leaks can make certain rooms uncomfortable, even when your HVAC system is working overtime. Energy-efficient doors are designed to reduce these leaks, creating a more stable indoor temperature. Whether it's the heat of a Sanford summer or the cooler winter months, these doors help keep your home comfortable by reducing temperature fluctuations. Additionally, many energy-efficient doors feature multi-pane glass and added insulation, further enhancing temperature regulation. As a result, your home remains cozy, without the need for constant adjustments to the thermostat. Noise reduction. Living in a noisy neighborhood or close to busy streets can make enjoying your home difficult. Energy-efficient doors, particularly those with insulated cores and multiple panes of glass, offer excellent soundproofing benefits. By reducing the amount of sound that enters your home, these doors can create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. This added quietness can be especially beneficial in areas like bedrooms, home offices, or entertainment spaces where noise can interfere with relaxation or productivity. With energy-efficient doors, you can reduce external disturbances while maintaining a comfortable indoor atmosphere. Enhanced home value. In today's market, homebuyers are increasingly aware of the need for energy efficiency, both for environmental reasons and for cost savings. When you install energy-efficient doors in your Sanford home, you're not just improving your current living experience, you're also boosting your home's resale value. Potential buyers will appreciate the investment you've made in reducing energy consumption, and homes with energy-efficient features are often viewed as more desirable. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your home's value over time, energy-efficient doors can make a difference. Environmental benefits. In addition to the personal advantages, upgrading to energy-efficient doors contributes to a healthier environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're helping to lower your carbon footprint. Fewer energy demands mean fewer greenhouse gas emissions associated with power generation, which can be particularly important in regions that rely heavily on non-renewable energy sources. Choosing eco-friendly materials for your doors also supports sustainability efforts, as many energy-efficient door options are made from recyclable materials or are designed with minimal environmental impact in mind. If you're looking to reduce your overall environmental impact, installing energy-efficient doors is a small yet significant step. Durability and long-term saving. Energy-efficient doors are built to last. They are often constructed from high-quality materials that resist wear and tear over time, which means fewer repairs or replacements are necessary. By choosing these durable doors, you're not only saving money on energy bills, but you're also avoiding the costs associated with frequently replacing worn-out doors. Moreover, many energy-efficient doors come with extended warranties, ensuring that your investment is protected for years to come. This combination of long-term durability and energy savings makes them a smart financial decision in the long run. Conclusion. For homeowners in Sanford, the benefits of energy-efficient doors are clear. From reducing energy bills to increasing home comfort, value, and environmental sustainability, upgrading your doors is a worthwhile investment. Whether you're looking to lower your monthly utility costs, create a quieter home environment, or improve the overall aesthetic and functionality of your property, energy-efficient doors offer a practical solution. By choosing to upgrade today, you're not just improving your home, you're making a positive impact on your wallet and the planet.